Hey there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver doing another quick video to show you how to download the Lyft Rider app to be sure that you get your first time rider ride credits. So let's get right to it. The very easiest way to do it is go into the description below the video. You'll see a link. That link goes directly into Lyft and it has the promo code and the ride credits embedded in the link. So Lyft will recognize those ride credits, send you a link to download the app to your cell phone, and from there you set up your account. So that's the easiest way to do it. It skips a step. But if you don't want to do that and you want to download it from the Playstore, you go tap into the Playstore and you would do a search for the Lyft Rider app. So I have it installed, but you would just install it. So let's pretend you've got that installed. And this is what it's going to look like. Lyft app right here. And so you would go in here to set up your account. Now, up in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see that face. That's my face, but you will change it to whatever picture you want when you set up your account. And you go to payments. Now, Lyft does not accept any cash payments, so you have to have a debit, credit, or PayPal account in order to use Lyft. So this is where you would add your credit card, add up your payment method. And then you would click out once that's done, and below payment you'll see promo. So click on promo, and this is where you type in pink balloons. And this will assure that you get your ride credits. So you hit apply. The ride credits are based entirely on where your phone is registered. If you live in Arizona, they're going to determine what ride credits you're going to get based on where your phone is registered, where your phone number is registered. No other driver is going to be able to guarantee you more or less. It just really depends on where you live. So I would hit apply if I were you, but I've already done it, so they aren't going to let me do that. So you are set to go. You are ready to set up to take and request your first ride. So it is as simple as that. I've done another video that shows you how to use the Lyft app as a rider in order to take your first ride and set up your pickup and set up your destination and actually be able to set up a scheduled ride, and that's a little bit more detailed, so you can look for that. So if this was helpful, please be sure to share with your friends and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you out on the road.